guys, this is Curious Cat from the Royal Conservatory of Music Preparatory A level. I'll do it once slow and once normal tempo. Starting on A, B, C, E. Right hand A, B, C, E. Then left hand F, E, D. Right hand F, E, D. Then left hand this time a bit softer than before. G, A, B, D. G connect to A, then detached from B, detach D, left hand E, D, and C to Nu to hold a bit, and then E, D, and C hold a bit. Now we're gonna start quiet and gradually get loud. So we're gonna start F, G, A, C. Right hand the same F, G, A, C. Left hand E, F sharp, G sharp, B. Connect E to F sharp, G sharp, and B detached. By this time you're supposed to be loud, and then back to super quiet, double piano subito. We go A, B, C, E, and slowing down A, detach from B, detach from C, detach from E, and the left hand cross over with the 2 and hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Now I'm gonna just play it and try to follow along with me and play with me.